Rise and Shine East Texas. You're watching KETK Today.
Here is a look at downtown Tyler with our Plaza Tower Skyview camera, brought to you by the Tyler Neurosurgical Associates. We are starting to see hints of that sunrise here just before 6:15 this morning. 78 degrees is the temperature with a dew point of 73. So it is a bit more humid than this time yesterday and a little bit warmer overall, but overall not a bad start to our day today. We are going to see lots of sunshine once again with barely a cloud in the sky, and that means things are going to heat up quickly even with the higher humidity values today. We'll see that high temperature climbing to about 101 degrees with that heat index topping out over 110 in the hottest locations. So really important to take those heat precautions today, like staying hydrated, limiting that time spent outdoors during the heat of the day, and also make sure to check on your neighbors, especially the elderly and young children, as those two groups are more susceptible to heat-related illnesses. Now, the normal high temperature right now is 96 degrees, and we are going to be above that here through the next couple of days. Thursday again today being the hottest day of the next 7. Notice we do see a bit of a cool down as we head into the weekend. There's going to be a slight change in the weather pattern. The ridge of high pressure that's been in the upper levels of the atmosphere will recede just a little bit. We'll see a couple of fronts move on in, which won't really bring much in the way of rainfall, but could bring some lower temperatures, slightly lower temperatures, and a bit less humidity as well, making for not a bad weekend by any means here. But then as we head into next week, that ridge of high pressure builds right back in. It gets even more humid as we head into next week, and we'll make another run towards 100 degrees by the end of next week. So yesterday we did make it up to 100 over in Tyler pounds. That made it the second day this year through August 7th yesterday with high temperatures at least of 100 degrees. Compared that to last year, though, we saw 20 of those days. Now, Longview and Lufkin did not quite make it to 100 yesterday, made it up to 99 in both locations. By this time last year, though, we had 14 days of at least 100 degrees, and in Lufkin we had at least 23 days of a high of at least 100 degrees. So overall, it's certainly been cooler than last summer, and we should stay below the 100 count that we saw last summer, unless we have an insanely hot September. But overall, it's still going to be a warm month of August. Looking farther ahead with the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook valid from Tuesday, August 13th through Saturday, August 17th, we are still going to expect above average temperatures to continue out there. Here is a look at your 7-day forecast now. We are going to see that bit of a cool down as we head into this coming weekend. Can't rule out a stray shower or storm on Friday and Sunday as those series of fronts move on in. But for the most part, things are dry. We do heat up next week, though, with mostly sunny skies returning by Tuesday and Wednesday after some cloud cover over the weekend. For Deep East Texas, again, today's the hottest day of the next 7. We'll see a slight cool down into the weekend with a chance of a stray shower or thunderstorm Sunday and Monday. The rain chances are less than 20%. We will heat up into next week with a high of 98 by Wednesday.